Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to keyframe, zoom, and DaVinci Resolved. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. To achieve this effect, start by clicking on New Project. So let's name it Zoom Keyframe, and click on Create. Now, navigate to your preferred folder and choose the video clip you want to use. Drag it into the workspace and choose Don't Change when prompted. Once the clip is in place, go to Inspector section and choose Video. And here, click on the small diamond icons next to Zoom and Position. On the clip, click the miniature icon. You'll notice tiny diamonds appear. Choose the starting point for zooming in and mark it with a diamond. Then choose the scene where you want to zoom to be complete. Return to the inspector, click the diamonds next to zoom, and adjust the zoom level. Similarly, click the diamonds next to position to adjust the clip's position. You can achieve a zoom out effect by selecting the appropriate scene, copying it by clicking Ctrl C, and pasting it in the desired location by clicking Ctrl V. To preview work, go to the Cut section, click on Full Screen, and observe the finished product. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.